Today, I'll show you how to transcribe unlimited audio and video for free, right on your own PC. There are no limits, no subscriptions, and you get total privacy because your data never leaves your computer. We are using a powerful open source app called Vibe. Vibe is a game changer because it is powered by OpenAI Whisper. This is one of the most sophisticated AI models available, meaning the accuracy is world-class across dozens of different languages. First, head to the link in the description to download the software. It works on Windows, Mac, and Linux, so everyone is covered. Go ahead and run the installer. Since it is open source, you can trust that it is clean and secure. Once you open Vibe, you will see a clean, minimalist dashboard. You have three main ways to get audio into the app. First, you can record live audio directly through your microphone. Second, you can load any existing audio or video file from your hard drive. Or third, you can simply paste a link to pull audio from the web. Let us put it to the test with an existing file. Drag and drop your audio or video file into the window. At the bottom, click the transcribe button. A progress bar will appear. If you have a long recording or an older computer, this might take a few minutes. However, because it uses your own hardware, it is often faster than waiting for a cloud service to process your file. And there it is, a near-perfect transcript. You are not just stuck with a block of text either. On the right-hand side, click the Export drop-down menu. You can save your work as a TXT file for basic notes, an SRT or VTT file, if you need captions for YouTube, or even a PDF for professional meeting minutes. Whether you're a student taking lecture notes, a journalist transcribing interviews, or a creator making captions, Vibe is the ultimate, forever free tool for your kit. If this video helped you today, please give it a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.